this again. Thanks for being here. Some people call me the space cowboy. Yeah, some down in the gangsta love. Some people call me Maurice. We did something last night that was cool. Instead of that, we had everybody say Sandman when we got to that part. Because that's what we call it. We call it the Sandman. So if you guys don't mind, we just get everybody to shout that out when we get there. That would sure be nice. We'll blaze that up to him and wherever he may be, because I think he's here with all of us somewhere. Chances are he'll show up in a picture tonight. He's got that kind of an ego. Yeah. Even from the grave, he's going to be here with us. He's going to be in pictures, probably blocking pictures of Chris, which is what he typically would do. Just try it again. We're going to say Sandman when we get to that part. Okay, come on, Johnny Depp. All right. Some people call me the space cowboy. Oh yeah. Some call me the gangsta. Now we're gonna stand it right here. Some people call me Maurice. All about the dollar. People talk about me, baby, and they say that I'm doing you wrong. Don't you worry, baby, don't you worry, my love. Let's find out who was here. Last night, obviously, we had Texas A&M was here. I know that we got at least a couple from Maryville over here. We got some Maryville guys rolled in, but they're like, ain't nothing happening in Pensacola. Pygmies at Gulf Shores. That's where we're going. Actually, I think the conversation was the girls are in Gulf Shores. That's where we're going. So there was some Alabama people here last night. Some Auburn fans were here, as they typically are. Now I'm seeing a Wisconsin Badgers shirt out there. Now, are you like a fifth-year senior or something? I'm guessing. Graduate school is what that is. Yeah. Where are you guys from? You're from Texas State? Tennessee? No? Yeah, hey, you know what? Let me give you a tip. If you come up close and be a part of what's going on, I can hear you. Let me give everybody a quick conversation that might kind of shake you. into reality. Okay. This is a conversation that nobody had when we were sitting in Texas or Tennessee or Georgia, wherever. They're sitting there with their friends and they're going, you know what we ought to do? Here's my plan, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to get a bunch of people together. We're going to rent a condo, okay? Now look, it's going to be expensive. But we're going to go to Gulf Shores, Alabama for spring break. Okay? And then at night, we're going to go out to the club. We're going to find a table so we can just sit down. Because we couldn't do that at home. We want to spend a lot of money to do that. See, that's ridiculous. If you are acting like you act at home, you go back home. Let's go back home, right? Think about that, people. Okay, why did you come to spring break if you can act like you act at home? Get your hands together. People keep on talking about me, baby. Oh, they say I'm doing you right. I